What's up, YouTube? JP here. Here it is. I don't know if I mentioned in a prior video, but the brand new 2022 Indian Challenger Dark Horse Icon. Let's see, I put my order in about June of 2022. It is now the end of November. I just picked up the bike this weekend, so if anyone's thinking about ordering a brand new Indian with some custom options, just to let you know, their time frame is about 4 to 6 months realistically from being built at the factory, getting shipped to your dealer, and you taking possession of it. So let's get this video started. This icon color is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to see if the camera can pick up the actual blue flake inside the paint, but I'm not sure if video will do it justice. But it is an absolutely gorgeous, stunning bike. Just going to be a short video for you guys. I'll do a startup, let you hear the motor. So, a couple awesome features. I went ahead and did the electronic rear adjusting shock. You just tell the computer what your passenger's body weight is. The shock adjusts for ride comfort. Standard equipment is your 7-inch screen. Nice little Indian logo there. I went ahead and turned this volume up for you. It's got a really good sound system. This is just a local radio station I have it set to here. But touchscreen works with your gloves. You've got navigation. You got your Bluetooth device. Back to your radio. Different ride modes. Here at your settings, you got rain, standard, and sport. So sport's super torquey, awesome. We have built-in cruise control. We have the electronic power window, which is awesome. Gets rid of that helmet buffering. Full controls here. I did go ahead, like I said, I upgraded the rear shock. I did also upgrade the headlight to the Pathfinder headlight. That way it stays level when you're going around corners. Gives you a lot better field of view there. Got the LED strip here on the Indian symbol. A couple other quick little things on this bike. So the Challenger comes with inverted front forks. We have dual front Brembo brakes. This thing is awesome. ABS, lean angle sensors, traction control. It's got a rain mode, as mentioned earlier, in the ride modes. So this thing you could ride technically year round. It's amazing. I've got about 100 miles on it now, riding from the dealership home. Let's go ahead and reposition the camera and get it started up for you guys. Okay, that is stock exhaust. Has a pretty good sound. A little bit of a cold start for you. Future for this bike is probably going to get a tinted windshield. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and leave the exhaust alone when it comes to the catalytic converter. However, I'm looking at the Freedom exhaust mufflers. It'll give it just a little bit deeper tone. But yeah, just a quick video for you guys of the new 2022 Indian Challenger Dark Horse Icon. Hope you liked it. Plan on some more motorcycle videos in the future. Obviously, we got more car stuff coming out for you guys. And yeah,